Hey guys, this is Nick from cryptosfornoobs.com with the weekly crypto analysis. Today is Tuesday, the 10th of July, 2018. Time is 23:05 here in the UK. You're looking at a BTCUSD daily chart. Today's analysis is going to be quite quick. We're just going to look at BTCUSD. Now, that's partly because there's no real point looking at the other pairs at the moment because they're all moving pretty much as mirror images of BTCUSD. So any trades you take should be on BTCUSD because it has better spreads and better fees. We are starting to see some divergence though. Ripple in particular is diverging from BTCUSD. It's still very similar, but it's not exactly the same, which is good because if we start seeing divergence like we had earlier this year and last year, then we can actually start trading more crypto pairs. Right now, the crypto market, for me anyway, and for a lot of traders, is pretty much just about trading BTC USD. There are some people trading Ether, BTC, LTC, BTC, but the trades on there are not as good, not as reliable, and also they simply got way worse spreads. Depending on the broker you're with, worse spreads, worse fees. BTC USD is the one to trade, so that's why we're doing analysis on BTC USD. Also, the other reason is because I am on holiday. I'm in the UK right now, but tomorrow morning my plane is leaving for Italy, and I have to get on that plane really early, like 6 a.m. or something. So I don't want to make this analysis too long. I want to get it done quick. So we're going to take a quick look at BTC USD. Right now, BTC USD has bounced away from this resistance area. Now, this isn't the best of signs. So price has dropped down to here, come up to this resistance area, and has now fallen away. For people who want to see BTC go up, this isn't the best of signs. We're starting to see continuation of this bearish trend. A lot of people were hoping that BTC was going to break through this resistance area up here. This resistance area is roughly the 6,800. They were hoping it was going to break through this resistance area and carry back on up, but it doesn't look like that's happening. Not right now anyway. It's actually dropping down quite a bit. It is still in an overall downtrend. We could draw a pretty neat looking trend line. Oh, I'm not sure how neat it is actually. No, it's not neat. Never mind. I'll take that back. It's not a neat looking trend line. It's a bit, it does get cut through here. But anyway, that's not the point. Point is, it is still trending down. Just because this trend line is broken doesn't mean that that the trend is over. The trend is still overall bearish, and now it looks like it's bouncing away from this resistance area. It's going to continue down. That's what it's looking like. The key points to watch out for are this support area around about the 6,000, although it does extend a bit lower. I might actually pull this one down a little bit. I'm going to adjust this support area down to where it bounced from the last time it was down here. So we're pulling it down to the 5,800. So I'm very interested to see what happens when price pushes down to this 5,800. When that happens, you know, if it stalls out, that might present us with a good opportunity for a long trade. So to buy from here. If it breaks through, then I have a strong feeling it's going to free fall down to the 5,000 at the very least, but that's not even that far. Probably lower than that. So this is a kind of, this support area here, the 5,800, is kind of a deciding line for BTC USD. If it breaks below that, it's probably going to go down quite fast. If it manages to stay above it, then it's probably going to stall out and turn around again. It'd be quite interesting if BTC USD falls into a range here between these two support areas. So a range would be price bouncing around in there. That would make for very easy trading. So we're just going to keep a close eye on it for the coming days and see what happens to this current down move. That pretty much wraps up the analysis for this week, guys. Next week's analysis, or I'm not 100% sure I'm going to be doing it, but I'm going to start including this analysis probably in with my weekly Forex analysis on my Forex website. So we're going to change things up a little bit in the coming weeks. But because I'm on holiday, I probably won't be doing analysis until I am back. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you when I'm back.